Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kajo and today we're going to talk about prefixes. What are prefixes? They are words that are added at the beginning of a root or main word, and when you add a prefix to a main or root word, it changes the meaning of that word. Let's look at an example. The prefix re means again. So when you add that prefix re to a root word, gain, the word gain means to get or obtain something, it changes the meaning of that word gain. So regain means to get or obtain something again, which means you had it once, you lost it, now you got it again, regain. Let's look at a few more of these. 12, I'm just going to go through it very quickly. Re means again. We said that. So the word rediscover means to find something or someone again. You had it, you lost it, now you got it back again. Now notice that the word discover, and you have to be able to identify the main or root word. Discover is a main or root word. So when you put re, the prefix in front of it, like I said, it changes the meaning. Here's another one. Un means not. So unfinished is a word. Something that is not completed or finished. So finished is a word, means it's completed, but when you have that prefix un, it means it's not completed or it's not finished. Okay, dis means opposite of or not. So disappear, something or someone that was once there, but now they don't exist, it's gone. Over means too much. So if you're overworked, means you're working too much. Pre means before, like the word we're learning about, prefix. Pre, a word that is added before the root or main word fix. Put the word together. Under means below. Example, below weight means under or below the average weight. Okay, let's look at our last 6. Miss means wrongly or incorrectly. No, it means wrongly. So the word misunderstood, it means to understand something wrongly or incorrectly. Post means after. Bet you haven't heard of this word. Post-mortem means to examine a dead body to find out the cause of the death. You can't perform a post-mortem on a living person, so it has to be after they're dead. Sub means under. Example, sub-zero means below zero. Semi means half. So you see the word semicircle means half a circle. Tri means 3. Example, triangle. Lines with 3 sides, or it could be a situation involving 3 people. And the last one, anti, means against. So if you hear the word anti-government, it means they're against the government. Okay, so all this information is on the test below. Do the best that you can, and yeah, hope you do well.